everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a weekly planner. So what you're going to need is a photo frame, a bit of paper, a pen or highlighter, a thin black pen, a marker pen, a pencil, some scissors, a ruler. So first of all, you're going to get your photo frame and put it on the bit of paper. Next, you're going to trace it with your pencil. After that, lift off the front of the photo frame. Now you're going to cut out your outline with your scissors. Now you need to draw 7 pencil boxes. And a flag label kind of thing. Now outline everything in your black pen. Next, write weekly planner on your flag drawing. Next, write Monday to Sunday in all the boxes. And notes on the bottom box. Now draw a box around all the days of the week. Now draw an extra little box around your current box. Now use your highlighter/pen to colour in the mini box. Finally, use your highlighter to draw a line next to the box. Now put the bit of paper into the photo frame. Now use your marker to write on the front of the photo frame. Use a wet tissue to rub off the writing. Now you can use your photo frame to keep track of everything you've got to do that week.